Hello hunters, how are you doing? Trading Jesus always here to notify you about the price action for Bngo. Today we're gonna talk about the price level that we triggered and we broke our resistance. Hopefully you saw the video that I told you to buy at this level at around this technical level that we've been trading on around the $5 and here around the $5.17. Here we did the video actually at 17th of May, and we predicted that the price will never go below the $5 again. If we go below, this is our stop loss. Here we did the stop loss around the $5.90. I told you guys you should sell if the price went down, and guess what, we didn't, and we respected this level, and we and I told you guys to buy around the $5.17 and stop loss, and we could see the run up after we broke this level and confirmation candle above. So now, if congrats about the people who actually bought at those levels. So now where you take your profit, and if you could do trailing stop if you want to let the trade go and have more percentage of your gain. There's a lot of strategy we're gonna talk about today. If you bought at those level, if you don't bought at this level, we're gonna talk about where the right price you could buy at or you average down. Everything we're gonna answer in this video. So before we go in the video, blast the like button, check my Patreon if you want caution on one-on-one, how to do the trade and stop, how to trade, how to take your profit, and where and how to pick the winners from the losses, and calculate your risk management. Everything we're gonna discuss on Patreon. Even there's a Discord channel. We're gonna talk with our hunters about the right prices. So without further ado, let's get right to the video. As Trading Jesus promise you, no BS, no editing, straight to the information. So let's get right to it. Here guys, as we predicted from the last video that we did 5 days ago, hopefully you saw the video, because at the moment that we did the video we have some kind of as we said guys, we have this break for our resistance around this level, and now we going to test the resistance again around this level, around the $5 maybe, or the $6, because now at $6.01. So even if we go around the $5.90, is still we should hold this, and we bounce from it would be perfect. If we just bounce from our exponential average here, as you can see, this will be perfect scenario to see the higher prices that we're gonna talk about a bit. Look with me, this is normal to see a consolidation and we see the price to go up again. So this is perfect scenario for Bngo, and the price that I would look for to take my profit, at least here we're gonna talk about it, because this is really serious stuff guys. Here, look with me, here we're gonna see a bit of rejection guys. Now at $6, at $6.88, there's a big massive rejection gonna happen. So I'm gonna take my a bit of profit here after we gonna see a consolidation even at $6.40. I will take a bit of I will buy an average down. If I just sold here 50% or 40%, I will just buy back again here. This is perfect guys, because if you just hold and you see the market go down, you lose all the gain or some of the gain. So the perfect to follow what the insiders do or market makers do to make more on your money and lower your average if you're already bought at the top. So you could actually sell a bit, then you average down. So don't sell everything. If your problem, like most new trader with FOMOing, because you don't know the price will go. Nobody knows the price will go up or down at the same time, but at the same, you just have your probability that the price will go down at this point. So you just calculate your risk and you calculate your reward and you take your profit and away, and never be greedy. Then you be ready to hunt to average down and buy lower prices. So you have to cut your emotion down and be write down the prices that you already want to sell at, or you average down with, or where you should get out. This is most important question you should ask yourself in each trade. Without this, you'll be lost and you'll be in limbo. This is important, guys, because I've been in this situation before, so I'm trying to not let you get in this situation so you save yourself money and time and stress. So here, guys, as I show you, we need now to hold this support. Now acted as support from the resistance that we test so many times. So the moment that we bounce from here, we got our confirmation. If we saw by tomorrow at $6.20, this will be the confirmation for the test, and we might even not go below the $6. This is really strong, guys. If we don't go below the $6 by tomorrow, if the market open at $6.20, let's say, there's a big chance that we're gonna see the $6.88 really soon. So this is really important for SOS. And again, if we got rejected and we got the price go below the $5.88, this will take the price go this will be a massive rejection, and this is what we don't want to see. Here, guys, look with me. We have a big candle at the 4-hour chart, because we have to confirm at 4-hour chart show us different scenario, because we have a big candle, green candle, but at the resistance, above the resistance, we have a red candle closing above. So this is not that good, because usually, as I told you, the 1-hour candle is the confirmation is not that good. For our 4-hour chart candle, you can combine it with a 1-hour chart candle to confirm. So now, from what I see, the 4-hour candle, the confirmation is not perfect. The confirmation should be a green candle above, but it still is good, because we close around the 6. This is a psychological level. So by tomorrow, if we hold above the $6 and we see the price just to go to $6.19, guys, this is a good indication that we're gonna see soon the $6. Maybe we see a bit of rejection around the $6.40, but not that strong compared to $6.88. So if you want to, you got in really low at $4 or around the $5, you can take a bit of profit around the $4.40, and again a lot of profit around the $6.88, where we see a lot of rejection. So this is the most important projection for SOS, and hopefully this will be the bottom for SOS around the $4 that what we saw before, $4.32 for Bngo. Sorry, hopefully we don't go below the $4.32, and this will be the bottom, because we've been trending down for this area, and now we have to have the test for $6.88, and this is the turning point for SOS. If we have a closing candle above the $6.88, we see a change in momentum and going higher from there, guys. Maybe even we see the $7, then the $8 from there, if we just close above the $6.88, and this is turning point for SOS. So, guys, as I show you here in the video, try to have a price, predetermined price before you get in, and price that you get out from, because if you're long investor, this is easier, because you know that you will hold for 1 year or 2 years. This I'm talking about swing trader, or you want to make a trade for a day or for the week. You have first define your price and define that you gonna get out at this price, or if you want to trail stop. And this is really important, guys, really important. And without further ado, bless the like button, and if you have any question, I would be more than happy to answer you guys. So comment below, and see you in the next video.